Welcome to a quick unboxing of Sony's brand new 24-70 f2.8 GM2 lens by Lightcolorshadow.com. Let's start with the pain point. The price tag is at 2,399 euros, respectively 2,299 US dollars. The full-frame lens is made for Sony's E-mount and has a weight of only 695 grams, what the small package explains. The lens comes with a reliable pouch in which it is well packed. In addition, there is a strap for the pouch. So the 24-70 is, like mentioned, already very compact and light. The body itself is made out of plastic and feels great, and in overall it has a great manufacturing. The front lens has a fluorine coating, what makes it less susceptible against dirt and fluids, and if you want to use a filter, there is a thread of 82mm. It offers a lot of features, like of course the switch for manual and autofocus, then a switch to toggle between a smooth or tight zoom ring, what is not so common. This function allows to determine the behavior and feel of the zoom ring when it is turned. Then there are two focus hold buttons to activate the autofocus and to hold it, instead to activate on the camera body. And the very special, in my opinion, is the manual aperturing. For this there is once that click switch to reduce noise when the aperture ring is turned, for recording video, what is quite fancy. Click off means there is no audible clicking when the ring is turned. The aperture ring itself can be set to A and the aperture is controlled by the camera. And to make it complete, you can lock the aperture by using the iris lock switch. This makes this lens really comfortable for filmmakers. And for all who want to use it on a gimbal or in a camera rig, when increasing the focal length, the lens is getting longer. So at 70mm it is fully extended. So on a gimbal the camera needs to be readjusted because the center of gravity has changed. And last but not least, the lens hood has to offer something special, namely a small window to adjust variable pole and ND filters. With that, it is easier to reach the mounted filter, what is in my eyes a very nice solution. The only other things which are left in the package are small instruction sheets and warranty cards in different languages. So far to the Sony 24-70 f2.8 GM2 lens. I'm looking forward to review this lens, in particular on my ordered Sony FX6, but the waiting time is long. Thank you very much for watching, and for more photography topics you can visit Lightcolorshadow.com and check my other videos on my channel. So far, good light for you, and we see us in one of my next videos. Until next time, bye bye.